Alright, I picked up the truck at 61,588 miles. I drove it into downtown Madisonville, kind of a roundabout way, but came back to Huntsville. But before I got back to Huntsville, the temperature gauge dropped back down to 160, and I don't know if it's noticeable on the video, but the cooling fan is running. So I'm going to have to go out and disconnect that fan so that it doesn't run my battery down. I'm going to go ahead and shut off the engine. And you can maybe hear the fan running. The only way to shut this off without it running the battery down is to remove the battery. So, I'm going to disconnect the negative terminal here. There. And just leave that off for at least half an hour to reset the ECU.